This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to create a poster. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type poster to explore a wide array of templates or begin with a blank canvas. Selecting a template can save you time and provide a professional starting point. Always consider your poster's purpose and who will be viewing it to guide your initial design choices. This foundational step is crucial for a successful outcome. Now, let's dive into the design process. Canva offers intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. You can easily customize text, choosing from hundreds of fonts and a vast color palette. Upload your own photos or explore Canva's extensive library of millions of stock images, icons, and graphics. Remember to maintain a consistent visual style to ensure your poster looks cohesive and professional. Aim for a balanced layout with clear focal points. To make your poster truly stand out, enhance its visuals. Apply various filters to your images or manually adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. Incorporate graphic elements like shapes, lines, and illustrations to add visual interest. Utilize frames and grids to neatly organize multiple photos, creating a polished look. Don't hesitate to experiment with transparency and layering effects to add depth and a unique touch to your design. Before you share your masterpiece, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check for any typos, alignment issues, or color inconsistencies. Once satisfied, download your poster in the best format for its intended use, such as a high-resolution PDF for printing or a JPG for digital sharing. Canva makes it easy to share directly to social media or send to a professional printer. A common poster size is 18 by 24 inches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.